our subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if your iPhone not connecting to your Wi-Fi, so how you can fix it. So let's try to fix it. So just open the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, and also you need to check if you don't see here yellow color, because when you see here yellow color it means that you have no internet access. So you just need to check your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes you just need to restore your Wi-Fi router, and also check your provider. And also you can try to tap here, just tap on forget this network, and now just tap on forget, and after you just need to find here your, so I will show it to you, forget this network, forget, and now you can see that you need to choose here your network again, and now just write your password and just tap on join. So reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with airplane mode, so just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, if it doesn't help you, just try to update your iPhone. Just go to the general, just open software update and wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and it will successfully update your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.